Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Salam from Zombie Tech, and today I have with me the new OnePlus 3. So let's get started.
Used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go.
So, hey guys, I've been using this device as my daily driver for the past 2 weeks, and here are my thoughts. So, first things first, now let's see what do we get inside the box. So, we have a standard USB Type-C data syncing cable, a charging adapter, a box inside a box, and inside the box you'll get some instruction manual and a SIM ejection tool, and I don't know what it is. Anyways, so that's it, the contents of the box. So now let's talk about the design of the device. This device has a massive 5.5-inch display, so it makes sense that the phone is pretty huge itself. So this takes us to the button placement. So all the buttons are very accessible, they're very tactile, they're very responsive, and OnePlus has managed to do the job very well. So I had no issues with it at all. Now if you talk about the build material, it's totally made out of unibody aluminum design, which gives the phone a little premium finish along with rigidity, and it also has its own negative points, such as it adds up to the phone's weight. It's actually 158 grams to be precise, but that's totally negligible, and overall the device looks like HTC 10 a lot. Hey guys, so if you come to the fingerprint sensor, it's ultra fast. I had no issues with that at all, and in fact it's the best fingerprint sensor I've ever used, and in fact it's the fastest sensor I've ever used, and it's even more faster than the sensor which is found on the 6S. So that was pretty good, and according to the company it improves over time. And now if you come to display, again it has got a 5.5-inch display, as I said, with a resolution of 1080p and a pixel density of 401. So the display on the device is very good, and in fact it's the best display I've ever used on a smartphone after the display which is found in the Note 5 along with the OnePlus X. So that's it for the design department. Now let's see what do we have for the camera. So on the camera department, we have a 16 megapixel camera with f2.2 lens, which is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 720p videos at 120 frames per second. So on the front camera, we have a 5 megapixel secondary shooter. So overall, the camera performance was decent. It was not that great. It was not that bad, because under the daylight conditions and under normal lighting, the camera tends to whiten up every single image. So I had a little bit issues over there. So now if you look at the low light condition, the camera managed pretty well. So at the end, the camera is pretty much decent, and I expected more out of it, but anyways, so that's it for the camera. Let's talk about the specifications of the device. Hey guys, so we have a Snapdragon 820 processor with the Adreno 530 GPU, 64 gigs of internal storage, and a 6 GB RAM. Yes, a massive 6 GB RAM. And in terms of battery, we have a 3000 milliampere battery which supports fast charging or dash charging, whatever you want to call, but the company is calling it dash charging. And I was getting a screen on time of approximately 5 hours, which shows decent. And if you talk about the overall specs, it's top notch as expected from a OnePlus device. I had no issues with it at all. The performance was really good. The phone was very snappy, and opening and closing of the apps was done with ease. And so that's it for the specs. Now let's come to the software part. So we have Android 6.2.1 Marshmallow out of the box. On top of that, we have Oxygen OS. So basically it's stock Android with a little bit of customization. So you can say that it's just a better version of stock Android. Hey, that's it for the phones review. I had a great fun making this video, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Go hit that red button, share with your friends, spread tech, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace.